Right, here we go. I'm going to show you repair today. Give this a go. So this has come into the shop here broken. So what I need to do first is remove the beading around here. And then okay, so using my lead knife here, it's an older one so it's not as sharp, and prise out the beading. So now, with the beading removed, I'm going to take the panel up, and these have been fitted so they slot in down there. So I'll take the panel out to the bench. So now I'm back on the bench. I'm going to use sellotape over the cracked glass to keep it together. So what I'm going to do now is use my sharper lead knife, and I will cut here and here and take the bottom piece of lead away to remove the glass. That's one side. I'll turn it over. From the edge. There we go. So I'll save that to put that back in and bring the glass out. Okay, so now I've drawn round the edge of the broken glass. I mean, if it was too broken, I'd make a template up. But so there we are. I'll put a line there. So I'll now cut these lines and then put the glass back in. Okay, I'm going to use my glass cutter here. And cutting just to the inside of that marked line. It's tricky to see really with clear glass. There we go, one new bit of glass. So now the glass is ready to go back in, and I've cleaned the channel out down here of the old cement. Right, so I've just nicked to that corner there. It now fits nice and tidy. Put that bit of lead back on. And so what I'll do now is I'll clean the joints here and here and resolder them. This is some tallow wax which is rendered down animal fat, and that acts as a flux to help the solder bond with the lead. That one. Might be able to get away with the original solder that's still there. So I'll do the same on the other side, and then we'll cement that little piece back in again. This is the leaded cement. So it's sticky, it's made of, it's like linseed oil putty really, with added extras of lead. I'll usually use a brush, but I'll smear this into the joints here, and that weather seals it and also strengthens the panel. And the oils in it seal the lead to stop it corroding. So I'll do that side. Clean it off with some chalk. And also do the other side. Usually this is left a couple of hours between doing either side, so it has time to set. But because this is for an intern, for a cabinet, it's only really to help stiffen the panel and stop it rattling when you open the door. So again, some more chalk. So clean that off. So the chalk soaks up all the greasy oil, and then I'll tidy up the edges there. There we go. That's now fixed and clean and ready to go back in the cabinet.